Christmas in November.
Christmas came early.
October. Yeah, Christmas came early. Oh, this better be it, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, okay.
Hey. Jeez, dude. Hell yeah, look at that.
You can use both sides if you're. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh. Do you want gray or black? Oh, dude, this is gonna look badass.
Oh, it's thick too.
Ah, dude, look at that. Oh, you know, I thought it came with the adhesive. It doesn't come with the adhesive. I need to be able to take it out. That's probably gonna be a good ass, what, 2 hours maybe taking it off, dude?
Think so?
Ah, we got tools. Minutes later. Alright. So I guess it's, if you guys want to do this, it's going to be a T15. This is a torque. If we can get that. But then you also need a badass boy right there. You haven't changed your phone?
No.
What?
I told you.
Guys, check this out. This guy is like masterpiece at doing all that shit. Look at his phone. I ain't shit, and look at mine.
I told you, I ordered it and they gave me the wrong one.
Oh, they gave you the wrong phone?
They gave me the iPhone 11, not the Pro. So I had to return it and I just had to go order it the other day. So,
no.
yeah.
Oh, did you ever see the keychain? Yes,
That's
sir.
the thumbnail.
That's the thumbnail right there. There's a mirror, something's burning. It's probably that light.
This lamp right here that we got a freaking campfire in the car.
Dude, it's a lot warmer, huh?
Who needs the heat?
Dude, I see
This thing's burning over here.
I'm trying to teach Junior over here. Okay, boy. You put that right there. Good job.
I can't even do that right. What? Dude, what? Alright. I'll just stick to the camera.
Okay, yeah. I got hungry.
Oh.
What's in there?
Let me see the light.
What is, yeah. What is in there? Oh shit, dude.
It's actually not that dirty.
It's not that dirty. Yeah, it is.
Go, moment of truth.
Oh, I know. Dude, what the hell is all that? Dude, look at that. Hey, dude, take a video on this side. It's like, what is it? Take it. Dude, this would be even good for yours. Oh my god, do you smell that? I think I should have brought like safety masks.
Oh, Jesus.
You gotta go. Well, say what? Dude. Well, there goes all that detail we did.
God
Dude,
damn.
look, dude. Look. Oh yeah. My phone. Oh my. And I cleaned it.
Gary, there's gonna be another sandstorm.
Oh shit, dude.
Huh? Doggy style, nigga. Yeah.
Oh shit. Jesus. Check it out. This is all we're gonna do. All we gotta do is just spray that adhesive thing. We're gonna get it right now, but we're gonna end up doing it later because I don't think it'll stick with the cold. See, we're gonna have to like grind all this off. Like it can like just like this. That way it's like this. Yeah. Now I'll get the grinder from work. Not bad, huh?
It's gonna look good.
It's gonna look good. So that's gonna be what, part one of the
Part
roof.
1 of the roof.
Stay tuned for part
Dose.
Woo. Dude.